All right, here we have a Great Video Maker GVM 672S light kit. Let's take a look. This kit comes with a carrying case, 2 reversible light stands, diffusion, and barn doors. So in my previous video, I've already shown the 672S. This one, I'm just going to go through a brief overview as this kit is slightly different. I'll also plug that video at the end of this video so you can reference it later. As usual, GVM always uses quality packaging. Here's the included diffuser brackets that you install by just using simple thumb screws. Here you'll find just the warranty and manual pamphlet. This is one of the included power bricks. You get 2 of them, 1 for each panel. In this package, this is the included barn door. You get 2 of them, 1 for each panel as well. Here's the external diffusion panel that you simply use or attach with the included thumb screws. So the 672S series includes 672 LED beads that are bicolor. Here you'll find the first layer of diffusion, which is simply an insert. Here we have an aluminum alloy housing for ultimate heat dissipation, the Sony FP battery mount, and control panel. You can mount this U-bracket in 2 different ways, straight up and down or on its side. For a full range of motion, mount it on its side. Okay, so let's take a look at these 2 included reversible light stands. Now if you're not sure what they are, they're simply a compact light stand and it's due to having the base being able to flip upwards. Now this is great for tight spaces, but when you have the space, you can have the legs fully open, which can give you a lot more stability. Keep in mind that these type of stands are mainly geared towards lighter to medium setups or for traveling. While these light stands are lightweight and compact, these are more sturdy than your average entry-level light stands that you may find on the market. They're so handy, I actually went and picked up 2 more. Okay, so here you'll find the control panel with the color temperature control, the intensity control, 5 programmable buttons, and the up and down selector. You can also set up these to remotely control each other by setting one up as the master. Now this is a compatible feature with the S models. Currently they have the 520S, 672S as you see here, and the new version which is the 896S. Okay, so here I'm just going to fast forward through me installing the diffusion panel and some other items. Keep in mind, when you're installing the diffusion panel and you're installing the barn doors, it's a toolless design and all you need is the included thumb screws. So with the 672S, you have a color temperature range between 3200 and 5600 Kelvin temperature with a plus or minus of 50. The intensity ranges from 10% all the way up to 100% at full power. Now you have only 40 watts of power consumption and it's approximately a 10 by 10 panel. The CRI is rated at 95 or more. You have 672 LED beads and a beam angle of 45 degrees. Okay, so this is something I'm excited about. GVM actually sent me this remote to check out, so I thought I'd share my experience with you. At this time, it's not being sold separately. That's unfortunate, but this is just for right now. You currently have to purchase it as an included item in one of their light sets. This may or may not change in the near future. One thing that I wish was available before was a simple wireless control by remote, and now it's here. I will say that while it's not the sleekest in design, it does do its job. You have basic on and off controls, intensity controls, and you also have the Kelvin temperature adjustments. You can control up to 10 separate lights by adjusting the groups. The screen is lit, but unfortunately, it's extremely dim. While that's not a deal breaker, I thought I'd point that out. Now personally, I'm just happy to have this option available. It really comes in handy. So overall, these are great lights as I said before. I currently have the individual cases, but this is good for when you need to carry a set amount or all-in-one solution. This allows me to take the individual sets when I need something super light or compact, and this set when I want a slightly bigger or all-in-one setup. Patiently wait for the remote to be available, as I can't see why they wouldn't be available in the near future as an a la carte item for those who already own the S-style lights. So as usual, I hope this was helpful. I have the Amazon store and the direct links below. If this was helpful at all, please hit like and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification icon to get future updates on future videos, or visit www.howtoandreviews.com. Till next time.